What's going on? In this video, I want to show you how I made about $600 today with a few different little investments utilizing crypto, DeFi, charts, patterns, trends, and all of that good stuff, just to maybe spark an idea in you so that you can think of a creative way or a unique strategy to do the same. Now, I think it's important to develop multiple streams of income and to build assets, okay, and to invest and to reinvest and make your money work for you rather than you working for your money. It's okay to work for money, but then you need to get the money and make the money work for you so that you no longer have to work for money, but it's working for you. So this is not financial advice. This is just me sharing some ideas and sharing some real, simple, practical things that anybody can do. And it doesn't take a lot of money to get started. All right. So the first thing is LVT. I called this on the channel. You see what has happened since then. Okay. It is definitely taken off, and I think it's just the beginning. So right here, right now, I have 780 in LVT, right? My initial investment was 330. Okay, so for simplicity's sake, we'll just round it. Well, my initial investment was 300, so 800 minus 300 is 500, then another 25, so 475. We'll just say 500 for simplicity's sake, okay? So there's almost 500 right there, right? And then SLD was another call I made. It's now at 1950, okay? I have 10 armies over here. If I connect my wallet, these 10 armies produce for me 1 soldier a day. I already claimed. That's why it's saying over here 20 hours till the next claim. So I already claimed these. They are in my wallet. Bam, bam, bam. SLD 10 right there. So 10 of those times 20. We'll just round it for simplicity's sake. That's 200. So 500 plus 200 is 700. Minus that 25 on LVT. But, 700, so 675. And that's basically it. I did lose about 75 on a couple other things I was doing. But that's $600 right there on 2 simple calls, 2 simple plays. I do have a few other things going on. But I just want to show you how simple this crypto thing is. Like, for example, I also have Ring over here, right? Let me show you this. But I don't count this because this is still paying itself off on my initial investment, right? But this is another stream, okay? So I go here, connect wallet, Ring Financial. Then just refresh, okay? Ring is at 183 right now, okay? 183.81. So let's do this. 183.81 times my rewards for the day. Oh, it didn't load. See right here. Are 0.499, that number right there. So let me type that in. 0.499. 339 equals minus 10%, because when you do claim it, they take 10%. So that's another 82 right there. So that's today another $82. Now this is still paying off my initial investment to purchase a node. So I'm not counting that as profit because I'm not yet in profit on this. Okay, but this investment is paying off itself right now. All right, and then there's other things I'm doing as well, but I want to show you when you get in early on a project and you know how to look for the right projects and you know the patterns and the trends and how to research, you can get, pretty much, if you look at SLD right here, this is pretty much a repeat in a sense, okay? So you can see similarities, you can see patterns, you can see trends, you can see what everybody's aping into, and you can position yourself to profit. All right, so this is just a simple video. Like I said, it's just to show you practically, because I know there's a lot of people online and they claim to be millionaires and billionaires and Lambos and jets and all that. Look, I'm trying to speak to real, ordinary, extraordinary people that are just trying to get that first breakthrough. They're trying to get that first gain. They're trying to make $100 a day. They're trying to get out of their day job. They have a dream. They have a vision. and they know that there's greatness on the inside of them, and they're trying to get that greatness out. I just want to speak into your spirit and tell you, look, you can do it. You have to be diligent. You have to be disciplined. You have to learn to master yourself. You have to create positive habits. You have to take things seriously. Okay, if you play around like 90% of people, you're going to get the same results they get. But if you take things seriously, you can achieve any goal or any dream that you set for yourself. So hopefully that will encourage you a little bit. I just like to share little results that people can relate to, that are practical. Because like I say, sometimes there's a lot of people that are selling a dream, and they're telling you, just buy my $5,000 course and your whole life will change and this and that and the other. But look, guys, you don't need to do that. You need to get your skill set up. You need to get your knowledge up, and you need to develop the ability to print money, because with cryptocurrency, you can print money. All right. Thanks for the love, for the support, man. I love all the comments, and subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed already. Click the bell for notifications so you get notified in a timely manner. Have some really cool things coming out for you guys. Appreciate you, and God bless. Till the next one.